I was just looking into the space shuttle and the early space missions, etc. And I was wondering what it would be like to be an astronaut. I was wondering how anybody could apply to be an astronaut. What the heck kind of form would you have to fill in to apply to be an astronaut? What could you say? It must be an amazing process to become an astronaut. And I'm wondering how many astronauts there have been. It's possibly 100 or so, I would say. But something that's crossed my mind is about a common thing I hear when space travel is being discussed is, are we alone in the universe? Is the human race alone? Is planet Earth the only planet that supports life? I'm thinking just on first glance that it's fairly ridiculous to believe that we might be alone. It is so arrogant and so superior and so absolutely asinine to believe that we could be alone. It's absolutely ridiculous. I think the issue seems to be, how will we deal with an alien contact? How would that go down? I mean, there are two issues. There's the issue of how we will respond to the aliens, and then there's how the aliens would respond to us. And it's crazy to think of how contact would go down. I'm inclined to be negative about the outcome. Somehow I can't see alien contact going well. There are just too many issues with meeting alien species. I mean, even countries on Earth can't get along. So the idea of getting on with an alien species, it really doesn't hold water. I think that interplanetary war would be inevitable if we were to encounter aliens. And I wonder if that will happen. It's so hard to judge whether where Earth is located is a popular area. I mean, are we in the equivalent of the Gobi Desert in terms of our location in the universe? Or are we somewhere where other species would live? It's very strange to wonder. But as I said at the beginning, it's ridiculous to think they were alone. I would say it's quite obvious that there are alien species. The only issue is if we'll ever meet them.